Oh my God, feeling ko hindi na ako marunong mag-film. Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. For today's video, as you guys can tell sa title, ang gagawin ko is, i-share ko sa inyo yung updated everyday makeup look ko. Or yung makeup look na madalas kong gawin kapag meron akong online meeting or kaya kapag gusto ko lang mag-selfie and magmukhang presentable. Or kaya kapag gusto ko lang mag-makeup, kapag trip ko lang ganun. I mean, kahit wala akong pupuntahan, kahit hindi ako aalis, kahit nasa bahay lang, kapag naisipan ko mag-makeup, nag-makeup ako. I don't know, I just really find doing makeup very therapeutic and relaxing. That's why I love doing it. So yeah, ayun guys, if you want to know kung anong mga product yung ginagamit ko on my face, just keep on watching. To moisturize and hydrate my skin, yung gagamitin ko for today's video is from Seoul and this one is yung kanilang bagong glow serum. And ayan guys, this is how the product looks like. Shake muna natin siya. And this one guys, instead of applying this on my face using a cotton pad, ang ginagawa ko is, dinadiretso ko na siya sa finger. Tunglo, sayang. Pinapat ko lang siya all over my face and also sa neck. And look at that, diba? After ko siyang ilagay sa face, kitang-kita agad yung pagiging glowy ng skin kasi hindi siya yung klase ng toner na may alcohol and dinadry or ginagawang dry yung skin. Look at that glow, diba? Kaya for those of you na merong dry skin or kaya naman naghahanap kayo ng essence or toner na kayang gawing glowy yung skin nyo in just a few seconds, definitely this one is yung isa sa mga mai-recommend ko because look at the glow. Look at that glow. Again, I highly recommend this if you're looking for a toner na kayang ibigay yung glowiness without making your skin look sticky and parang sobrang oily. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing. It makes your skin look supple. Tapos wala din siyang stinging sensation. Kaya okay na okay if you have sensitive skin kasi sobrang gentle lang. This one is very affordable as well guys. 299 pesos lang siya for 150 ml tapos made in Korea din. In terms of ingredients guys, meron siyang AHA, BHA which is for gentle exfoliation. Meron siyang ceramide which is nourishing. White strawberry which is moisturizing and also niacinamide which is the brightening ingredient. Aside from that guys, it also says here that this one doesn't have any artificial colors. It is paraben-free and also cruelty-free. And also, kung love nyo yung scent ng Seoul White Korea soaps, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo yung amoy na to guys kasi legit, amoy strawberry siya pero hindi siya yung artificial na amoy. By the way, if you guys want to get your hands on this product available to sa Shopee, make sure to check this one out. I swear, sobrang magugustuhan nyo tong toner na to. Para naman i-prime yung face ko guys, yung madalas kong gamitin lately is from EB Advance and that is itong kanilang first step mattifying primer. And as always, fino-focus ko lang siya sa areas ng face ko na large and visible yung pores. Actually, yung Revlon talaga na photo ready yung madalas kong gamitin but medyo kasi yun pricey kaya hindi ko masyadong ginagamit kasi kapag naubos medyo mahirap bilhin. And again, pang lang naman tong makeup na gagawin natin guys. Online meetings and kapag magsa-selfie kaya I don't really mind. For my base, yung gagamitin ko is yung sobrang love na love kong gamitin lately because it looks very natural and that is the Issy & Co Active Skin Tint in the shade Beech. And ayan guys, ganitong amount yung ginagamit ko on my face. This one I believe is 3 pumps. Kakapump ko lang pero nakalimutan ko na kung ilan siya. But of course, it's up to you na kung ganong kanipis or kakapal. And personally for me, I don't mind kahit na medyo mag-peek through pa yung imperfections because yung goal ko lang naman is mag-even out yung skin tone ko and yung natural na finish lang. And yung brush na gamit ko guys is the Luxy 532. Kasi nung nakaraan yung ginamit ko, may mga nagtanong kung ano siya. So ayun po, Luxy na 532. Para naman dito sa area ng face ko na kailangan pa ng konting coverage, what I do is kumukuha lang ako ng foundation na close sa aking skin tone. And today sa video na to, ang gagamitin ko is from Pink Flash and this one is yung kanilang lasting matte foundation and this one is in the shade number 2 Sand Beige. Maglalagay lang ako ng konti at the back of my hand. Tapos ayan, dinadab ko lang siya on top of areas na kailangan pa ng konting coverage. Again guys, I don't mind kahit mag-peek through yung mga imperfections kasi this is an everyday makeup look naman. And diba, mas natural, mas magandang tignan. Pero para i-tame down lang siya ng konti, ng konting-konti, ayan. And for me, mas gusto ko yung ganitong technique instead of applying foundation all over my face because mas lightweight kasi kapag ganito tapos mas nakakahinga yung skin, diba? And that's it. Ayun na yung base ko, guys. Super duper bilis gawin, diba? For concealer, ang gagamitin ko today is from Makeup Revolution. And this one is yung kanilang Conceal and Define Concealer. Full coverage in the shade C6. And this one, guys, sa under eye lang ako maglalagay para gawin lang siyang bright because as you can see, sobrang lungkot niyang tingnan. And also here, maglagay tayo para i-lift siya. Or magmukhang lifted, rather. Sa nose, lagay tayo konti. Sa chin. Bago tayo mag-powder, maglalagay na ako ng blush and yung gagamitin ko is yung lipstick ko with Detail Cosmetics. This one is the Powder Pout in the shade Canny Manalad and ito yung madalas kong gamitin lately, guys. As in, kahit hindi ako naka-makeup, naglalagay ako nito because it looks so nice gawing blush. Actually, itong gamit ko, guys, putol na siya. Kaya, medyo nakakasad. But anyway, ang ginagawa ko is naglalagay lang ako at the back of my hand muna. Ito yung kulay niya kapag heavily swatched. And I love using this as a blush kasi maganda yung undertone niya eh. And it gives that very natural looking blush na sobrang perfect for everyday. That's why lately, actually even before pa nung launch pa lang nito, ginagamit ko na siyang blush. Ilalagay ko na para makita nyo, guys. Look at the color. Look at that. Sobrang nice ng kulay niya even as a blush. Kasi diba, pinkish siya kaya it looks very natural. And ayun kasi yung kulay ng ano natin, diba? Skin natin kapag ka naiinitan, kapag ka naaarawan, pinkish, kaya very natural looking. Sobrang bilis niyang i-blend sa skin and talagang maganda yung kapit niya. Even without makeup, it looks so good. Kaya sobrang love na love ko tong lipstick na to and proud na proud ako sa kanya because hindi lang siya para sa lips eh. Even sa cheeks, it looks super duper good. Kaya kung hindi niyo pa nasusubukan, add to cart, check out nyo na. It literally melts onto the skin, kaya sobrang perfect nung lapat niya. I promise, sobrang magugustuhan nyo. And talaga pinag-isipan ko tong kulay na to eh, para sigurado talagang bagay siya hindi lang sa maputi, even sa morenas. Ito yung powder na gagamitin ko, guys. This one is from Careline, and ito yung kanilang Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder in the shade Sugar. Hindi na ako magbe-bake, but of course, if you want your makeup to last longer, mas okay kung magbe-bake kayo. Especially if you have oily skin. But ayan, what I do is, dinadust ko lang talaga yung face. That way, mamaya kapag ka naglagay pa tayo ng ibang powder products, hindi maging patchy and also para maset nga siya. Para hindi mag-move yung nilagay nating creams and also liquid products. To bronze my face, ang ginagamit ko pa din is the Revlon, ano ba to? Skin Lights. Look at the color, sobrang nice niya. Tapos meron pa siyang konting shimmer. That's why once you apply it sa face, it doesn't look flat and powdery. Medyo mahal lang siya, guys, but you get what you pay for because ang ganda talaga ng effect sa skin. Tsaka matipid naman siyang gamitin. I've had this product since like October or November last year. 800 something ata yung price niya sa Robinson's department store. And ayan, guys, nilalagay ko lang siya sa outer perimeter ng face to warm up my complexion. And para hindi siya flat tignan. For my nose contour, ang gamit ko naman is from Pink Flash and that is itong kanilang, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag, guys, but this one is yung pang contour nila or bronzer in the shade number 2. 1 or 2, hindi ko sure, but yung lightest sa 2 or 3 meron sila. Maganda kasi yung kulay niya, guys. Medyo grayish, kaya talagang namimimic yung shadow ng face. Diba, look at that? Sobrang perfect niya for nose contouring because it looks very natural. It's not too ashy. Parang shadow lang talaga. Sobrang perfect ng kulay. And take note, guys, ha? This one is like 39 pesos lang. Sobrang affordable. And pwede nyo siyang mabili ng parang 3 for 109 pesos. Kahit anong product ng Pink Flash. I love it! Sobrang nice. Ang ganda ng itsura ng nose ko dito sa contour na to. For my highlight, ang ginagamit ko madalas lately is from Squad Cosmetics. And that is the Baked Highlighter in the shade Starlight. This is actually one of my favorite highlighters. Super blinding, super glass-like nung finish kapag ka nilagay sa skin. And very affordable as well, diba? Para naman sa aking lips, ang gagamitin ko is from MERZY. And this one is yung kanilang Velvet Lip Tint in the shade number 14. This one is from their Red series, something I'm not sure. But siguro, ilalagay ko lang sa description box. Nakita ko kasi meron din itong color blue, tapos this red. Kaya ayun, medyo nakakalito siya. Medyo confusing B. But anyway, this one, what I do is nilalagay ko lang siya sa inner corner. Tapos ayan. I just press my lips. Tapos nilalagyan ko din siya ng clear gloss. And today, yung gagamitin natin is the Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz na clear gloss. Actually, yung ginagawa ko is nilalagay ko siya sa likod ng kamay. Kasi ayoko mag-dip tapos ilalagay sa lips dahil maghahalo-halo yung kulay tapos lalabo yung gloss. For my setting spray or face mist, yung gagamitin ko is yung aking go-to, which is the Glow Boost by Fresh Formula. And bago na siya, guys, hindi na siya ubos. Kasi di ba yung ginagamit ko dati, konting-konti na lang. And nakaluwag-luwag tayo, kaya eto, may bago tayo. And here you have it, guys. This is the completed look. Again, this is my go-to, bakit ako gumaganon? Hip-hop. Ito yung go-to makeup look ko ngayon, guys. And I really love this one because as you can see, it looks very natural. Hindi siya sobrang perfect, which I love because, di ba, it makes you a human. Honestly, I don't mind kahit nagpipicture yung mga imperfections because that's normal. I mean, lahat tayo nagkaka-pimples, lahat tayo nagkakaroon ng dark spots, nagkaka-acne, everything, texture, lahat-lahat. Before we end this video, again, for those of you na gustong masubukan tong bagong product ng Soul White, again, yung tawag dito guys is Glow Serum Double Essence Toner. Available na to ngayon sa Shopee. I highly recommend this. Super duper nice sa skin. It gives the perfect glow. Make sure to check the description box kasi ililink ko to guys. I swear. Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, magugustuhan nyo din to kagaya ko. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.